Hi guys, still at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this stunning Kawasaki VN900, and this one is the Classic. So with the Classic you get the bigger sort of Americanized style mud guards, you get the extra bits of chrome and the footboards. Lovely bike, it's 2010 on a template and it's only done 4,134 miles from new. It's in beautiful condition, it sounds fantastic. Obviously 900cc V twin engine, it's got the sissy bar on the back, and it's also got the screen on the front as well, so a couple of nice extras on there. So nice, easy to read display. They are fuel injected on these as well. Like I say, just super comfortable mile munchers, but really good value for money. If you do fancy it, just give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
Hi, my name's Nick and thank you for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. Our guys are really fussy. It also comes with a 3-month warranty as well, and you can upgrade that to either a 1-year or a 2-year warranty. It's a really good cover. We also offer finance and PCP, subject to status, so give us a call if you'd like a quote for that. And if you'd like an even more detailed walk around video, getting every single nook and cranny, just give us a call and we're quite happy to do that if you can't get down to the store. That's it, thank you for watching. Get on that phone, give us a ring, get it bought. Cheers.